Hello dear doers and welcome to this new accounting smart class. My name is Abdul Ghani Fuad Hussain. Video about analytic accounting. In this video we're going to see together all the analytic tools that are and how we can take advantage of them in. So let's start about what analytic accounting means in terms of business. So the goal of analytic accounting is to a business spends and receives money. Identify their strengths and weaknesses actually costing them. Remember that no legal value, so it can't exist without for the different stakeholders that how much the activity cost them. How remember that the analytic accounting is. In the accounting application, however, involve a lot of different applications. For example, the timesheet, the project purchases, expenses, and so on. So we can identify already at an early which analytic account it's related to. In a how can you identify natics and how you can choose which cost should go in which analytic. The first tool that you can use are that. That's the main value to distribute the revenue and customer due you can't have. Without an analytic account, however, the UU journal item is that you can. To be assigned by account move line, so is a journal item, and you can actually choose one that's the many to one field analytic groups. This is something that you can't put a value on. It's only meant for building a hierarchy structure within the analytic account, so for each an identity group and for which group. Assign a parent group so you can build A, and lastly you're going to have them. So these are the most flexible analytic, and there are no restrictions on them. Journal item, so you can assign multiple by account move line, and you can also configure analytic distribution between multiple analytic accounts for one tag. How this is useful, why this is useful, so let's analyze based on which analytic. Information you fill in your generate general accounting, what is the result? In the analytic accounting, so you have 5 different accounting entries and certain analytic information. The first one is an accounting entry for 100. So you have a revenue for 100 euros and you assign the analytic tag. The scientific tag there is nothing so without a genetic account behind it. It's analytic tag, a simple analytic as a result in the analytic accounting. So as I said just in the previous slide, you can't have analytic item without the analytic tag. The way it's config is still useful because you can use it. In your general accounting, you can filter on the stack in the financial and so on, so it's still useful, but it's not meant for proper analytic accounting. The second option is you have and you choose the analytic account OXP. So here is one account that you have put your accounting entry as a result in the analytics you're going to have. So it's as simple as that. You have one.